How are you? I hope you'll be fine. So today our topic is we have 5 online freelance jobs and freelance websites. So let's start our video. So in recent years, freelance work has become more appealing than ever, and the remote and flexible job nature has reshaped our perceptions for of the traditional work mindset these days. Many freelance jobs are available to different skill sets, from a web developer to copy translator, and however find a suitable job can still be a challenge even if you have already created an online portfolio. Fortunately, so there are plenty of freelance websites that can come in handy when you are looking for a freelance gig. In this article, instead we will list through 16 best freelance websites, and let's start. Number one, Fiverr. Freelance types, digital marketing, web development, social media, pros and cons, and there's some categories. So, diversify and category free registration, online courses, and high commission charge, long payment process. So, Fiverr is a platform that connects the freelancers with business owners looking for the survivors. Services on various digital products, including the website design, content writing, and voiceovers. Additionally, it's on the top of the freelance website for students. So, this freelance website provides a streamlined methods for both freelancers and the business owners to interact with one another. Note that on the website, freelancers are called seller, their services, gig, and business owners buyers. And instead of standing out bids, a seller can sign up for free. And you can see here the buyer can simply browse through different categories to purchase whenever a buyer purchases a gig for a system. So instead of sending out bids, and seller can sign up for free, so list their gigs and set their prices. Meanwhile, buyers can simply browse through different categories to purchase. Whenever a buyer purchases a gig, the system automatically charges that account and put the money on hold. The system will then take a commission fee and send freelancers 80% of the offered prices, depending on each the freelancer seller level. It can take up to 14 days to withdraw their earnings. So there are multiple options to withdraw the payment, such as the debit cards and PayPal and the wire transfer. So Fiverr opens up a world of the potential sales. With 3.42 million active buyers, there are no hourly rates, just project-based pricing that you get to decide. So sellers are guaranteed protected payments with an SL. So Fiverr opens up a world of the potential sales with 3.42 million active buyers. So there are no hourly rates, just project-based pricing that you get to decide. Sellers are guaranteed protected payments with an SSL certificate that protect, and you can see the sellers are guaranteed. And we have the billing and the personal information, and as well as around the clock, customer support always ready to help. Toptal. So freelancing type and software development and financial consulting and the interim management and the top tires companies and talent free invoicing and the payment. So you can see here is the Toptal and the freelance websites that connect the highly qualified freelance industry experts with the companies. Toptal has a broad range of the freelance from web developer and the web designer to finance consultant and the product manager. So applying to Toptal as a freelance requires and passing 5 steps of the screening process, from a comprehensive English evaluations to a project assessment. This process ensures only the top 3% to make it to platform. So after passing all of the steps, you have to assess the various jobs posting from top clients and the companies, and to process or on hold for up to a few months. And here's the Jooble. So Jooble is a search engine for job. Here's the vacations, and is the aggregate from 140,000 source and worldwide, including the corporate websites, online job boards, freelancing platform, social network, and the classifieds. A significant advantage to using the Jooble is that you don't have to check multiple online job boards and freelancing platform, as it centralizes the process to finding the freelance opportunities. And Jooble lets us find jobs within our particular region only. On the home page, you can select a specific city in your country to discover jobs limited to that area. So don't have to create an account to find freelance jobs on Jooble. So all you need to do is enter the keyword for the job and you want to Jooble search engine. And I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.